there was supposed to be an elevator. You can see as they have that cut in the tile. I guess they didn't. Look at our cab view, because these do have the tendency to be busy. So we'll get it before anyone else gets on here. All of these Montgomery Kones in the airport are in the process of being modernized by ThyssenKrupp. Going down? Yes. I'm just filming for a project.
No worries.
Take care, guys.
Good luck.
You know, I think the little things they label the floors with are different on each side. Because on the other side, it's like Western themed stuff, like a wagon wheel, I'm pretty sure campfire. I think spur is one of the levels. But here it's animals. Yeah, it's like, I guess mountain type animals. We got the trout and the the trout and the rabbit on levels 1 and 2. And as you can see, even at 10 p.m., these are very busy. There's the garage, and it's snowy. I missed a snow over the weekend. I'm not very bummed about that. Anyway, let's go back up. One's here. Oh, this one. I like the little green filter they put behind the lantern. You can see they use a random mix of hot and cold colored lights. I think these cabs look good with both, but not when they combine them. Either or. And we are in TE74. Yeah, this place has a shit ton of elevators and escalators. It's an airport, obviously it would. This floor passing chime is much quieter than the last one. Stopping on 5. Going up.
Up.
That will be it. Oh, there that one goes. You can see, I guess they have a light on the top. Anyway, that's it.